Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am going to share with you a project from Scrapdiva Designs, new release of October 1st of 2024. And this is the Pumpkin Mini Album number 2. And before I share with you the dies that I used for my project, let me just say thank you to all of you who left well wishes for Emma and for our Hurricane Milton that was coming through here. Milton came through and was not as bad as Helene was for us. We only had one little branch that came down, and that was it. As far as Emma, some of you I've told, Emma came down with the flu and strep throat. She was here for 2 days, and on the second day, she didn't do as well as the first day she was here. Most of the day she stayed on the couch because she was really sick. And her mom and dad took her to urgent care the next day because that was all that was open because we had the hurricane here. And they diagnosed her with the flu and strep. And her temperature wouldn't come down below 104, so they took her to Wilson's Children's Hospital to get looked at because it's kind of scary when you have a 7-year-old that's sick for so long. She was throwing up and everything, so they upped her amoxicillin, and by yesterday she was feeling good, and today she is back at school. So thank you for that. So let me go ahead and share with you the dies that I used for this project. This is Pumpkin Mini Album number 2. And for the mini album base, you get 3 dies. You get this die for your cover, and it has lines in it for, my mind went blank, for embossing into your pumpkin, as you can see there. And it has the little vines and the stem, and it's really, really cute. Then you get one to cut your designer paper for your inside of your mini album that has stitching. And then this is your base piece. Now, when this mini album is assembled, it's going to be about 5.5 by 5.5, just about 5.5 by 5.5. All right. And then also with this mini album, you get the stem to decorate your stem, and then the little squigglies for the vines. And then you get 2 spiders, which you can use for the eyes of your pumpkin. You get a nose for your pumpkin and a mouth for your pumpkin. So you get quite a few dies in this set. And it comes out so cute. All right, the next die I'm going to share with you is also from the October 1st release. And this has 3 dies, 3 words in the die set. And they also have a background. And this is called Thankful Words number 2. You get the word grateful, blessings, and I forgot what the other one was. Let me take a look at it. Thankful, blessed, and grateful. That's what you get in the set. And I measured these before, but they are, let's see, they're about 5.25 inches long. All right. So I use the word blessed in this set for my mini album. And then I have an oldie but goodie, and this one is the leaf bundle. And I use this die to decorate around my flowers. Okay. So before I share my project with you, let me just say, if this is your first time here or you are new to my channel, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So here we have the cute little mini album. Now, I usually use the piece that is in the sunflower mini album set, and I could not find my die. And I don't know why. So I had my little granddaughter here. She's 3 years old, for 4 days, so I couldn't do much I didn't do any crafting because she wants me to play with her and do different things with her. So I don't know where it is right now. So I created this myself to bind my mini album with rings right here. So I'll give you the measurements for this. This is 2¼ inches long by 7/8 inches wide. And then I just had a hole punch and I punched 3 holes down the middle. And that's how I bind my mini album. So I also used flowers from Hobby Lobby that I had in my stash. And this right here is from that leaves bundle. You can see I put it behind my Hobby Lobby flowers. And you do get these pieces to decorate your vines. And there's the stem piece. And then the little children here are from my porch prints. They are called Cottage Kids. And it's the fall and Halloween collection. I just love this little picture because they're holding hands. And I put the word blessed from the Thankful Words #2 from Scrapdiva Designs. Really, really cute. I'll bring it up so you can see how cute they are. And on the first page, I made this little tie together. There's a little boy in his little sweatshirt. And this just opens like this. This album is super simple. This is 3¼ by 3½. And all I did was just score 3½, 3½, and just fold it like that. Super simple. Here's another little boy. I did not glue him completely down, only the top and the bottom, so we could tuck these cutter parts in there. And this is from the paper pad. This one says Welcome Autumn, and that says Warm and Cozy, and it just tucks behind him. And you could put pictures on those. I used this paper pad from Recollection. It's called Colors of Autumn. That's the one I used. And it's quite old. I've had it for a while. I'm trying to use up my stuff. All right. And then we go on to this page. We have this little boy. How cute is he? And tucked behind him are these cut parts. It says Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves. And this one says Blessed. And so all you have to do is just glue the shoes and the hat. And then just tuck it behind. And then I made this little fold out. Really simple for journaling. I did not do a lot of detail on this one. This is 3¾ by 2½. All right. Then we have this little page here. We have this little boy with his pumpkins, adorable. And then this just opens up like this, and I made a little pocket. And this cut apart says Hello Fall. And I'll give you the measurement for this. This one is 4 3/8 by 3¼ inches wide. And this little girl with her pumpkin, she's just a tuck spot for these. This one says Give Thanks. You have that one. And you could put pictures on these too. So I kind of made it a little simple. And it's perfect for fall, even though it has jack-o'-lanterns. It's perfect for the fall. It's not a Halloween mini album. It's more of a fallish. Then we have this cute little boy with all his pumpkins. I really liked this little ephemera here. with the pumpkins. It's so cute. And this says cozy autumn days. And then this is a hutch filled with autumn looking teacups and teapots. Adorable. I know when the little 3-year-old was here, we had a tea party with mine, and it was so much fun. And then we have this little set of friends. They look like they might be going trick-or-treating. And then this just opens up like this. And this is one of the little ephemera you get with the cottage kids. And this one here measures 3 3/4 by 4 inches wide. And that is my mini album. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.